Hey, good morning. Dwight Cliff Sr. Cliff Construction. At the basement project we're working on right now at the present moment. I want to share some information with you guys today about floors and basements. We're putting down this tile here, which is a steel board. It's a 12 by 2 foot tile board that needs an awful flat surface to go down on, right? So if you know anything about basement projects, basement floors, they're not level in no areas at all. Especially in an older home that's built before 1970, 1960. Those older homes, like these old floors down here, I don't think they had codes for or certain preference on how flat it had to be or how smooth it had to be. So these floors are really, really wavy. So just trying to get this floor done down here in front of the cabinets here, as you see. We happen to put down like three to four different layers to try and get it level this way here, and then also front to back so that it flows one direction. This floor here flows to the drain from east to the west to east. And so as long as we get this floor to flow that direction, we're going to be okay. But it's probably not even best to use this with the customer wanted, so we're trying to oblige them and put down what they want. You probably want to put down maybe like a vinyl floor, something that's going to lay with all the curves. But just want you to know some of the things we go through for our customers, make sure that they get the product they want and the look they want. So we'll check back with you once it gets all leveled out and floated. And let you see that finished project once it's done. Thanks for checking in for construction.